All right, house remodel. Let's start here at the entrance of the house and kind of work our way in. Lots to show you, lots to talk about. So let's get right to it. This is the front entry door we replaced. I have a new storm door, almond color to match, coming in, but I have to do all the casing trim work around here. That'll all be brand new. But this door is done. Got a new keypad entry, digital, big handle. It's this color vinyl on the outside, and then on the inside, it's white. Looks really good. Look at that casing up there, trim work. Isn't that cool? I think I'm going to take this out to match this color here. Use like a window tint 3M ceramic. Pull all this out, kind of like this. It'll look really nice. Really nice. This is battery operated here. Got some trim work here. I got to pull those out. Those will all be quartz material instead of wood. Up here is going to be arches. The drywaller, maybe this week, I'll get the drywaller to complete everything that we need to do before we paint. See the trim work over the sliding glass door? I'll get there real close here in a second. And then over here, this will be arches right here, nice and curved, going into the office. We got all the trim work done in here. We still have some more trim work to do, but all the flooring is 100% done. The only floors I didn't do in this house are in the two back bedrooms here, and the carpet's fine in there, never gets used. I'm still not sure what I'm going to do with the fireplace. I think I'm just going to paint it white. This whole house is going to be, all the trim work will be white. I still got crown to do up there, but I'm thinking like a light olive over here, white up here. The kitchen cabinets will be white too. So let's go over here first, because we talked about this first. This turned out really beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that cool? This will all be white in here. Internal mini blinds. UV rated windows. Excuse me. And yesterday we resanded and stained the pergola. See that? And I got a lot of cleanup to do out in the backyard. Move some solar panels around. And you go over here. This is going to be my kind of little dining room area, if you call it that. That window needs to be, excuse me, replaced. I have a lot of patchwork to do. Drywaller filling holes here. Then you look over here into the kitchen. These are all new cabinets. These will all be white. This right here is like a bookshelf kind of thing, but I'll have quartz all the way across to here. This will be extended out 12 inches here. New sink, 60/40 sink. I already got all the faucets bought and ready to go. This will be an underlay sink. Be really, really cool looking. Got the fridge right up there. This will be arches right up here. Got a framework done there. Into the vanity, or the laundry room. Got some shelves put up there, or bookcase, whatever. Got these aligned and balanced, and correct ductwork. Trim work in here. Down here. See the difference here? You got floor running this way, and then the bedroom, the flooring runs this way. You got the casing up here. These windows here in the master bedroom will be ripped out. They're warped. This one's really bad. And I'm going to get like limo tint 3M ceramic, good stuff that will last forever, because this stuff is that I put on there like 16, 17 years ago is just flaking off. Get a new chest of drawers for that big pile of mess right there. Temporary speaker setup. And this is the really cool part I want to show you, is the new door to the master bathroom. Check this out. You don't see this very often. This took us a while to get correct, but this is a bifold door, like a closet door or a laundry washer and dryer door. This thing is absolutely freaking perfect how it works. See there? And that goes into the master bathroom. Look at that trim work. That'll all be white. I'm not sure what color to do here in the bedroom. Probably khaki or something. We'll figure it out. A little bit darker I want in here. But this mechanism here makes this absolutely freaking perfect and quiet. See the trim work up here? Freaking beautiful job. And down here is the small jacuzzi tub. And see how it's kind of offset here a little bit? I might just rip this all out and just get a bigger, almost hot tub kind of thing. But all this tile is ugly. It's all original tile in there. Shitty job on that. Probably need a complete master bathroom makeover. All this wood right here is going to get ripped out and put that quartz granite material on here. All this trim is going to be taken out. They're going to cut a piece right there for that, and then of course that won't match that, so that's all going to be ripped out. That's not going to be a big deal, but we had to tear up all the floor here in the bathroom and reset the toilet for all the flooring. Cabinet, I got a center cabinet that goes all the way up to about right here or so. It's going to sit on top of the granite, and I've got underlay sinks already. I had to give them to the countertop manufacturer to put in there. That should be, the counter should be in Wednesday. And then I got a guy who's going to come in and do the plumbing for me. And I got to get some new light fixtures up there. A lot of work. The really sexy part is right in here. This is the walk-in closet. Check this out. This is really cool. So there's my lockbox now, with a heavy-duty L bracket, reinforced. This will all be trimmed and stuff, but then painted. But you can stand on this. This is so freaking solid. So now I can get into my lockbox here, and I'm going to do a keyed entry door here. So it's just another layer of protection or whatever. This wall is warped, so we had a hell of a time getting all this to line up. I guess no house is true, you know, is what the trimmer's saying. It's always a pain in the ass and a chore to do that. There's a Coco laying on the bed. And that's about it. I don't want to make this a too long a video, but I just wanted to show you this week's progress. And next week is going to be very busy. I got to fix all this. This is going to be arched right up here. All nice and pretty. So I got trimming to finish up. I've got the drywaller to fix everything, and then painting. And of course backsplash. I haven't decided on backsplash yet, but I got someone on tap that can do that. I'm not going to do that, but new microwave is working kick butt. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Just thought I'd give you an update. A lot of work this past 2 weeks. A lot of work. A lot of dirt, a lot of dust, a lot of cleaning, a lot of sweeping, a lot of vacuuming, a lot of tearing out stuff. You know, it's pretty much a full house remodel. So just keep that in mind when you're doing this. If you ever do this, and it's a lot of money. Just goes right through your fingertips. Guess I got to go to the casino, win some more, right? All right, thanks for watching. And hopefully this helps you out and shows you what not to do or what you would like to do with your house. And stay tuned for the next video. Probably have the countertops done by Wednesday.